with sort of close to $50,000 in what you would call profit. However, we went and stayed in hotel. We went and had dinners. We had some cocktails.
Yeah. That brings me to this point. I remember when I spoke to you ladies and you said, if we can do this and come out ahead and learn how to do it and actually get started on something that was affordable, that'd be enough. So I know that was your aim in the first place. So how do you feel about the outcome if you look at it from that perspective?
Over the moon. We did so well.
Absolutely.
We're so happy.
Yeah, it was an absolute win, Belinda, because for Jodie and I, this was so much more than making money. It was a lifelong 20.
And so we're really happy that, and also prove to everybody that we could actually do it, because I mean, even I was a little bit doubting at times how it was going to go.